Yeah, baby. Let's do it right this time. We're gonna do this like we never done before. I wrote a song, but it had no reason. Complicated lyrics.
Hey, World Wanderers! Where are you today? I'm in Florida, in St. Petersburg, at Pier 60, and we're going to check some beaches.
Pier 60 is a fishing pier and recreational park. There's a lot to do in this area. For kids, there is a bouncy castle and some slides. If you're into fishing, you can check the bait house here and try to catch some fish. Or if you just want to wander around on the endless white sandy beaches, there's something for everyone. This beach was voted the best in Florida in 2013. And I think they made the right choice. It's really beautiful. In order to get to the end of the pier, you have to pay $1 or $2. For me it was worth it because the views were stunning and there was a little surprise.
Guys, there are pelicans just like that. Hey, buddies.
The pelicans and herons are not here just to pose for tourists to take pictures. This place is actually a favorite spot for fishermen. And these smart birds figured quite fast that they could steal some catch from them. I'm really not surprised that so many people want to retire here. Especially in winter months, the climate is perfect, it's warm. Even in November you can go swimming in the ocean. I was mad that I didn't bring my swimsuit because the water was lovely. Now let's get rid of the sand and continue our day. Our next stop is a local marine aquarium. For $50 I got the general admission ticket and the boat trip with exploring the sea creatures living in the bay. After the short security and introduction briefing...
Biologist is Isabella, that's our narrator. Let's have a throwable life ring that'll get passed over to you if you fall off the boat. Just watch for that or the line attached to it.
So what do you guys think we're going to do on this trip? Does anybody know? Catch fish? Hopefully we'll catch some fish, so we already have some on board. We put them in these small containers, bring them right around to your seats and tell you a little bit about what lives in the bay and what you're looking at.
I think I'm looking at a shark. If you're the eccentric millionaire who retires in Florida, why not try going home on your jet skis? So the lady biologists set some fishing nets, and after some time they brought some new wet passengers on board. They told us their names and how frequent they are in the bay. I must admit I didn't remember all the names, so some of them will be just fish, jellyfish, green fish, white fish, stripy fish. Oh, there's a sea urchin, I know that one. Flounder, maybe? We have stopped on the One Tree Island. We picked some pretty seashells and disturbed one heron that was not amused by our presence. We're back in the main aquarium. The aquarium is currently undergoing some renovations and much needed expansion. If you visit in autumn 2020, you should already be able to see the brand new habitat for dolphins.
I want my peach and the peach is you. You've always called me, now I've come for you. I will be nothing but a loser without you. I want my peach and the peach is you. You've always wanted me, now I want you to. I will be nothing but a loser.
It is always exciting when the museum has unusual species. On display here, we can see two examples of Homo sapiens sapiens in their not so natural habitat. This marine aquarium is great because it is dedicated to rescue, rehabilitation, and then release of sick or injured animals. Unfortunately, some of the animals were too severely injured or they got attached to humans too much to be released back to nature. So they stay in the aquarium and you can visit them there. I didn't know it, but one of the dolphins is actually a movie star. He played the main part in the movie Dolphin Tale. I really want to shout out to the aquarium team. Those people are knowledgeable, they are very friendly, they answer your questions, and it's obvious how much they love their animal friends. During the dolphin show, we have learned the sad story of the only male dolphin, Nicholas.
Nicholas stranded alongside Mom, and because they were there for a prolonged period of time before anyone found them, they did both suffer second and third degree sunburns, about 30% of their body. I'm Nick himself. Thank you so much, guys. Enjoy the rest of your day. Bye.